Nyasumbi story. Ikifika vote hivi imeenda.
I didn't eat any 120,000. Hii story ilikuwa hivi. Sistangu alikuwa anaenda Majuna and I didn't want to tell anyone. Ati anaenda hii country because people are bad, people are not happy for each other. Ndio maana niliambia watu kuna mtu alinipea 120,000 then nimpeleke huko Qatar. Kufunga tu nao maneno. But you know people guys, hakuna mtu wako happy for someone. That's why I say that. But alienda country ya bure na alilipiwa hiyo country alilipiwa 40,000 commission.
You know the problem sini ni kwamba sister yako ndiye alikuwa anasema hivyo na alikuwa anasema hivyo akicheka.
Alikuwa anacheka meaning alikuwa na joke. Hata nimesikia hiyo voice.
See, we are open and transparent. I mean, at the end of the day, your sister is coming back. But this is what alikuwa anasema. And alikuwa anaambia huyo agent, huyo Helen, right?
Sindi anajua ni kwa mwana. Atakosaje kujua? Ameficha juu kuna dem alimpeanga doa nipeleke Qatar. Kuna msichana alimpeanga pesa anipeleke Qatar 120k. Sindi akakula. Akaniambia nikuje Oman free. Anajua ni kwa Oman. Si eti ajui. Ndio maana hata venye nilikuwa na chambo akiambiwa eti sister yake ako Oman. Hakurespond juu anajua niko Oman. Anajua alikula pesa achana na huyo. Anajua niko Oman. Ukemboi ndio ajua nimekemboi, lakini nilimwambia mimi nafanya house to house. Hivyo tu.
Okay, that's your sister.
She's lying. She's lying guys. Hakuna pesa nilikula, ni yenye kujoke tu online that I was gifts due 120k nimpeleke, labda alichukua serious but I did everything for her. Nilimnunulia passport peke yangu, kila kitu nilimfanyia. I didn't.
Also,
na sasa unasikia huyo alisema likemboi na anakataa. Ananiambia haku kemboi. Nyasumbi is a liar. She's a liar.
Who, your sister?
Yes. Si alisema hakukimbia contract, ananiambia saa hii ati hakukimbia contract na alikimbia contract.
Leo asubuhi ndio ulijua kwamba sister yako alikemboi kwa contract.
Yeah.
So I think
guys, blog tu wenye wananiandikia ni negative. Do you know me? I know myself.
You know, Cindy, I can tell you why we are so successful with cases Vote TV. It's because of transparency and accountability. So now, watu wakisema it's your sister's word against it's your word against your sister's. But you know what I do, what I care about is the fact anakuja kesho. Tomorrow she'll be in Kenya. She is free. That's the most important thing. And without paying a single penny, without paying a single dime. Your 65,000, whatever was being alikuwa anasema sijui is needed. You hakuna. So who do we thank for this? This is God's doing. Okay?
I'm so happy.
You should actually be celebrating, and people will always have their own opinions. You know? People will have their own opinions, Cindy. Me, I've met you for the first time. And actually what I will do, I'm going to give you an invitation. And thank you very much. This is Vote TV. I'll give you an invitation. When she comes, ukimchukua airport, Cindy.
Yeah.
Mkifika home, come to Vote TV, and then we can celebrate that moment together. Right? How it started and how we finished. Then that will be the closure. Cindy, I rescue an average of 4 people every week, Egal, for 10 years. So this is not new to me. Focus on your peace of mind. Focus on your focus on God. Don't focus on people. You know.
Okay.
Lakini si nikulia. Leo si umelia mwana mtoto wetu. Leo si umelia kaki.
Kulingana na voice yenye alinitumia hata bwanangu mwenyewe karibu alie.
Oh, you're married?
I'm married. We were with my husband in the car and we were listening to the voice when we were on our way to Nairobi. Tulikuwa tumetoka Mombasa.
Oh, okay. Say hi to your husband.
Yeah.
Nice. You got kids?
Yes, I have unborn. I am expecting one in 9 months and I have one already.
Are you pregnant right now or are you planning to be pregnant?
I'm already.
Oh, is this breaking news on VOTV? Do they know?
This is a breaking news.
Oh, it's breaking. So hey! We have a new life coming. Okay. Cindy, all the best, man. So, hey, protect your peace of mind. Usijistress ukiwa na mimba. You know how that goes.
Yeah.
And have you told your mom?
Yeah, I've told my mom.
You've told your mom?
Yeah.
So, Cindy, again, I'm happy for you that we have a happy ending to the story. Ulikuja hapa asubuhi. Now, Helen has been very transparent with this case, by the way. Yeye ametuma hizi vitu zote. Now, when it comes to whether your sister was lying or not lying, I'm not interested. The fact is that she's coming tomorrow from Oman.
She's coming tomorrow. I will go for her.
What lesson have you learned? What lesson have you learned from this experience?
I've learned that some agents, if you don't have strength, they can trigger you.
Would you advise someone to go and work in the Middle East?
Yeah, if you are strong. Because my sister promised me that akienda job hata wainiaibisha. He promised me to be strong, but ni kama kazi ilimshinda.
Alikuwa ameenda Gulf before ama ilikuwa ni mara yake ya kwanza?
Ilikuwa mara yake ya kwanza.
Na ilikuwa Oman was the first country. Okay.
Yeah, Oman is first country.
Okay. Again, I repeat, look, Cindy, I'm going to be Vote TV. Me, I'm always about results. I don't care about drama. I don't give a fuck about drama. I don't give a fuck about the shenanigans. Your sister's coming home tomorrow, and that's my testimony.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Vote TV family, there you go. Let husband umsalimie. No, that's none of my business. That's our family. No, that's family. So, Cindy, I'm happy for you. God bless you. And hey, kesho, ukishamchukua, feel free, come back to Vote TV and come and say hi to the people, right?
Okay, thank you. Nikishamchukua